In this sixth video of my Bronson tribute bike build, I will give you a quick update on my progress. I put the rear fender back together by mounting the tail light, sissy bar, and fender struts. Now the rear fender is complete as one unit to be mounted on the bike. Next, the taillight wiring. I reattached all the wires to the taillight and wiring harness. I then reinstalled the seat. I mounted the gas tank and installed a new retro-style petcock and added some fuel. The next step was to attach two Bronson bags, one over the headlight and the other one on the seat against the sissy bar. In the pilot movie and TV show, the rear bag was Bronson's sleeping bag. The duffel bag over the headlight had everything else: tools, extra spark plugs, baffles, coffee pot, tarp, clothes, beef jerky, and a radio. Stay tuned for the final video of my Bronson tribute bike build. And thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video, and as Bronson used to say, hang in there.